how to create public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat. Okay, here we go. Now what you have to do is tap on your profile. Now scroll down below and just tap on Add to Spotlight, tap on Add to Story. Now you can take a picture, then tap on Send to. Now over here you can see the option of My Story Public. Tap on it. You have to make sure that you can share your story to public first of all. Now let's go back again. Okay. Now scroll down and you can see the option of My Public Profile. Just tap on it. Tap on OK here. And you have successfully created your public profile. So that's how you create your public profile on Snapchat. And that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.